It's Tyler, Real Estate Guy, and I'm a new home construction specialist here in Utah. Today, I'm continuing my tour of model homes to show you the different styles of houses being built, the new home construction trends, and the latest features builders are putting into their homes. If you like home tours, or if you're interested in new home construction, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Today, I'm touring the Cypress floor plan built by ALPINE Homes in the Copper Rim community located in West Jordan, Utah. If you have any questions or comments about this home or this community, I would love to hear from you. Please type your message below, or you're welcome to call or text me. If you're looking to buy a home in Utah, as of April 2021, we still have a lot of homes for sale right here in this community. This two-story home gives you 2,656 finished square feet and 4,332 total square feet, including an unfinished basement. This house gives you 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Before I give you a tour, I'd like to mention that the elevation that you're gonna see here in just a moment is one of a few different elevations ALPINE Homes offers in this community. Just so you know, most home builders offer 3 to 4 unique elevations or options so you can customize the house to your own personal taste, but also to keep the homes in the community looking different from one another. Okay guys, so if you look here behind me, you'll see the beautiful Cypress floor plan. It is the farmhouse elevation, which I just love. It's super popular in Utah. If this wind will die down, I will throw my drone up in the air and show you what this house looks like from the drone or from the air. But for now, we're gonna take a walk inside. Okay, so you can see here, this farmhouse has a 3-car garage. That is not a standard feature. Obviously you can see here, no grass in yet. That will be installed here shortly when the weather warms up a little bit. And one of the awesome features of this house is this monstrous porch here. You can see there's plenty of room to sit out here and get to know your neighbors. All right, let's step inside. Okay. Now, first thing you see here, you have your coat closet. We're not gonna step in there. We don't know what that looks like. And you have a nice office here. You can see this is plenty of space. I'm actually gonna step into this back corner here really quick to give you a feel for the space from this side. You see that is a good looking office. You can also use this as a formal living room or a music room or something like that. Okay, so this is awesome. It gives you a feel for the grandness of this beautiful house with these high vaulted ceilings up here, plenty of windows. It's just amazing family room, perfect size, large gathering space. And then you can see here, you've got a very unique looking and beautiful kitchen. Let's take a tour down the hall first, and then we'll come back and show off all this area. Okay, so back here, first thing here on the right, you can see you've got a monstrous pantry. I mean, you could fit a lot of junk in here. So that's great. Then right here, you have your mudroom coming in from your garage. And we'll then just poke our heads out here really quick. And you can see here, this is a large garage. You can see the construction guys have already started to fill it with their fun stuff. Okay, off to the right here, you have a full bathroom. See there, nice big sink area, toilet, and a shub. Kind of nice big area here. Okay, so the reason there's a full bathroom here is because this location here can also be used as an office or a 5th bedroom, kind of whatever you want to do. Let's go ahead and step into this back corner over here to kind of give you a feel for the side of this room. So you can see it's basically set up to do a 5th bedroom here with the closet being there. You could finish this room and not put the closet there, and it would make this room quite a bit bigger. All right, so now we get to show off the vastness of this awesome kitchen, dining, and family room area. Let's see here. We're gonna go ahead and walk down through this here and step in this back corner of the dining area. I'm gonna step into all the corners of this room so you guys can see what it looks like and get a feel for the space. This is an awesome floor plan. I've actually never been inside this house before, and I just think it is incredible. What do you guys think? I would love to hear your thoughts, especially on this kitchen. What do you guys think of that black island with the white cabinets? I just think it makes it really jump out. Gourmet kitchen, awesome way to do this house. They've added a fireplace here, and you can see that thing goes all the way up to the ceiling. I love that look. They've added some nice windows up there to get some natural light and some can lights. Okay, step into this corner here, and you can see the front door and all the way into the kitchen and dining area. Pretty awesome. Once again, kind of show you, I love the railing kind of coming up the stairs right here. Hopefully, we can get them to start building these floor plans in Utah County. Okay, there's a big tree in my way, but I'm gonna try to get in the corner here. Okay, so what do you guys think of this layout? I think it's incredible. Okay, so we've pretty much shown you this whole space, which means we're gonna head up the stairs. Of course, that door leads down the stairs, and we'll look at that last. All right, the first thing we need to do when we get to the top of the stairs is check out the full look of the family room from way up here. So cool. Okay, so we have the master bedroom to the left, but we're gonna go right first. We're gonna call this bedroom number 2 because the one downstairs is the 5th bedroom. So we'll call the one downstairs bedroom number 1. We're gonna go ahead and step into the back corner here. Fun little window right there that makes the house look really cool from the outside. See a closet there, okay? So hopefully that gives you a good feel for space of bedroom number 2. Right here, you have your laundry room. You can see this is actually a nice space. You could probably fit a washer, dryer, and a sink in this location if you wanted to. And then right here, you just have your second furnace. The other one's gonna be downstairs in the basement. Okay, so off to the left here, we have the bathroom. This is for the bedrooms up here. And you can see a separate area right here. This is pretty cool because it allows some people to get ready in this section while someone else is showering or, you know, doing that other thing right there. Anyways, okay. So you can see right here in the hallway, there's an awesome linen closet. You can use that for a game closet as well. And then we're gonna step into bedroom number 3. Right here. And we are not, well, we'll try to get into that corner over there, but you can see the way this is set up. It's gonna be kind of hard. Let's see how skinny I can get. Squish in here. Barely made it. Give you a feel for the size of this room. Not bad. And here we are with bedroom number 4. And you can see, even with bunk beds, you've got plenty of room in here. And when you step into this back corner, because if I step into that corner, the bed will block everything. But you can see, one of the cool things with Alpine Homes, if you look at the shelving here, this is standard. So you can see you got the nice wood shelves and lots of hanging space up high, down low, and right there in the middle. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. It's one of the coolest spots. This is bedroom number 5. And you can see this is a monstrous bedroom. Tons of space here. Because this room is so big, matter of fact, it has a huge window, I'm gonna step into all 4 corners and give you a really good feel for the size of this room. King size bed there. You can see that even with a king size bed, there is a lot of space in this room. All right, here we go. Let's see, there is tons of space here. You could probably even put like a treadmill in here or an exercise bike or something like that. All right, now stepping into the bathroom, you can see you've got nice double sinks here. You've got a separate tub and shower. Matter of fact, that's a huge shower space, and you've got the corner garden tub, which is huge also. And something a ton of builders don't do is you've got this extra little linen closet right here. Okay, so now I can show you the toilet area. I know y'all been waiting to see that, but you can see this is a nice wide space. Sometimes those are pretty teeny. And we got the master closet here. And you can see the way this is done, this is standard once again. So there's no upgrades done in this closet. And you can see, if you walk into this closet, there is a ton of space. It even kind of goes back around this corner right here. So this is a large closet. Okay, so that's everything for the upstairs. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this master bedroom and the master bathroom. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Tell me what you think of this floor plan as well. And we're gonna go ahead and race super quick to the basement. Okay, so the way you see this basement finished is pretty standard with most builders. They're gonna kind of put sheetrock going down through the stairs, and when you get to the basement, you're gonna see the insulation tacked up against the wall. That's pretty normal. Okay, so it looks like right here off to the right side, you're gonna have a bedroom, or for me, I think this would make an awesome fitness room or craft room or something like that. And then if you come across here, you're gonna see a huge wide open space, and we are gonna step back into the corner. Okay, right there on the floor, you see the future plumbing for a future, well, I guess it's current plumbing for a future bathroom. But if I step in the corner here, you can see there's a lot of space here. Some people would turn this area that I'm in right now into a bedroom, but I think that would be foolish. You already have 5 bedrooms in this house. So for me personally, I would make this a big open family room with a bathroom right over there. Right here, you just have some open space here. You got a big header there dropping down. That might make it kind of annoying. You could put a big closet in here, or storage area. And then this is set up to do another bedroom back here. Those doors are not the ones from Monsters, Inc., but they could be. By the way, if you're curious, the home builder actually hangs those there to get them out of the way as people come to look at the homes. That way they don't have to open and shut doors. And then back here, you're gonna have your furnace, your water heater, place to set up your internet, and your electrical panel. So that's not very exciting, I know, but I'm gonna step in this back corner of the basement here just to show you the size from this angle. And you can see that this is a monstrous basement. The home build process can be confusing, and it's often overwhelming. So if you have questions about building a home, or you'd like to understand the home build process better, I have loads of videos to help you out. I'll put links to some of the most popular videos below, but I would recommend watching one of these 3 videos first. How to buy a house from a home builder, what you should know before you build a home, how to save money when building a home. If you have questions, please comment below, or if you're looking to buy, sell, or build a home in Utah, you're welcome to contact me directly. Sincerely, I want to hear from you. For more great home tours and new home construction videos, hit the subscribe button below. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below to be notified each time I post new videos.